Continuing on where we got cut off by the bell, given a volume of a gas and a reaction, it is possible to determine the volume of gas for a product or a different reactant. So given this problem, we have 50.50 centimeters cubed of oxygen being reacted with excess carbon monoxide according to the unbalanced equation. So my first step, I notice it says unbalanced, I'm going to have to balance it. And I want to know what volume of carbon dioxide is produced. So first I balance my reaction. I get 2 carbon monoxide moles plus 1 mole of oxygen forms 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Now I'm given 50.50 centimeters cubed of oxygen, and I want the volume in centimeters cubed of CO2. Now assume that it's still in centimeters cubed, unless it tells you that it wants a different unit for the volume. So you take your given, that's the first thing that you always start with, and then you set up your ratio, and your ratio is based off of your balanced equation. Your balanced equation says that for every 1 mole of O2, there are 2 moles of CO2. So that's 1:2 ratio. Those are the numbers that go on your fraction. And the one that you want to get rid of goes on the bottom. So the 1 mole of oxygen has to go on the bottom. The 2 moles of CO2 then, since that's the other part of the ratio, goes on top. So you have 50.50 centimeters cubed of O2 multiplied by 2 moles of CO2 for every 1 mole of O2. You multiply 50.50 by 2 and divide that answer by 1. And you get 101, should actually say 101.0 with the correct number of sig figs, centimeters cubed of CO2.